Chapter on when male and female organs come in close contact, bath becomes compulsory. Narrated Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, when a man sits in between the four parts of a woman and did the sexual intercourse with her, bath becomes compulsory. Footnote. Regarding the statement, when a man sits in between the four parts of a woman and did the sexual intercourse with her means, the head of his private organ entered in her private female part. Chapter on washing away what comes out from the private parts of a woman, woman's discharge if one gets soiled with that. Narrated Zaid bin Khalid al-Juhani. I asked Uthman bin Affan, may Allah be pleased with him, about a man who engaged in the sexual intercourse with his wife but did not discharge. Uthman replied, he should perform ablution like that for the prayer after washing his private parts. Uthman added, I heard that from Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him. I asked Ali bin Abi Talib, Az-Zubair bin al-Awwam, Talha bin Ubaidullah, and Ubay bin Ka'b, and all gave the same reply. Abu Ayyub said that he had heard that from Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him. This order was cancelled later on, so one has to take a bath. See Hadith number 291. Narrated Ubay bin Ka'b, may Allah be pleased with him, I asked Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, about a man who engages in sexual intercourse with his wife but does not discharge. He replied, he should wash the parts which comes in contact with the private parts of the woman, perform ablution, and then offer salah, prayer. Abu Abdullah said, to be on the safe side, one should take a bath, and that is the last order. See Hadith number 291.